Welcome to Chemistry S Tutor. Today we are going to study about balancing equation. In chemistry, reactions must follow the law of conservation of mass. That means atoms cannot be created or destroyed. So every chemical equation must be balanced. What is a balanced equation? A balanced equation has equal number of atoms of each element on both sides of the reaction. Here is the steps to write the balancing equation. To balance equations. First write the skeletal equation, count atoms, add coefficients in front of molecules, and finally check if atoms are equal. Before starting example, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see the example. First, identify the number of atoms for each element in the unbalanced equation. There are 2 oxygen atoms on the left and 3 on the right. Find the least common multiple 6. Place a coefficient of 3 before O2 and a 2 before iron 3 oxide. Now, the product side has 4 iron atoms 2 times 2. To balance the reactant side, place a coefficient of 4 before Fe. The balanced equation is Thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.